I fixed my office up a little bit today, made some adjustments, and my daughter just walked in my office, and I went, comic books, and because I stuck a couple up there. What did you say, May?
Ready?
No, what did you say? And Daddy started laughing his head off. You said, how do you read them if they're up there? Oh, how many flapjacks have you eaten, young lady?
2.
2 flapjacks? Why'd you keep banging that door?
Because I'm a doggy. I meant I'm a flapjack.
I don't know which is worse.
Whoa.
Flapjack or a doggy?
Actually, I'm a comic book.
Right, let's put you in a bag then. Put you in a bag! Bag and border, stick her in a box. Ah, dear me.
You mean stick me up there and read me? Can I say that burn thing and you laugh?
Oh, what?
Chop. I'm going to chop your face up and burn it.
Why is it every woman in my life is horrible to me?
Daddy, can we hear it now?
Hey mate, do you want to play? What's that? What are you doing?
My pose.
I think everyone should have their own personal pose. That's a good one. You look like Wurzel Gummidge with all those missing teeth. Right, be careful because there's a snake coming for you. Oh no, you got bits everywhere. Right, enough is enough. Look at the snake bits. Right, you're going to be punished for that. Come with me. Come with me, child. No, in here.
Put me on the bed.
Right, who says I'm going to do that?
Push me on the bed. Do it again.
You flinched, Dennis.
Do it again.
My kid's nuts.
Daddy, do it again.
Right, that's it. I'm coming for you.
No!
Your bum's hanging out. You look like a builder.
Daddy, punish me.
Oh my god. She's weird. Punish me, Daddy.
Daddy, punish me on the bed.
I don't think I'll put this on YouTube. You gonna say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Sorry.
Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye.
She's
Bye,
nuts.
bye, 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 bye.
Stop chasing me!
Bye, bye.
I'm gonna hide and scare her. The things to do when it's raining outside. Catch you guys later. Why is there a glass bowl in the middle of the living room floor? So it's hailing and raining at the same time. I've got washing on the line. Yes, that's my pants. Or underwear. God. England rules, weather-wise. Hail, It's hailing and raining at the same time. Look. And yeah, I got my washing on along. Oh my god! Look at it! Do you still want to go to the park? Jeez! Oh my goodness! Look how high. They're quite big ones. Man alive. Well, I hope it's not like this in a week's time. Oh, but if it is though, you just stay in.
I got one!
Ah! Right. You hear that? I said there was going to be a storm, didn't I?
Does it hurt?
Oh my goodness, thunderstorms.
I told you.
Oh, I saw a flash then as well.
Yeah.
Right, let's go inside. Take care, guys. See you later. Hope it's sunny where you are. Certainly ain't here. Jeez.
It's my desire.